Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're just clearing out the back of my dad's truck. Don't know why I'm making a video of this, but I guess we just are, so. I'm here to talk, apparently, so let's just clear out the truck, I guess. So, can't tell, believe it or not, no, I'm not in the woods, I'm in my backyard, so we just have these big trees here separating the property, so. Well, it snowed. Oh, hi.
Almost done?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
I'm just making a YouTube video for no reason.
Where's your phone?
It's right there. Comment down below if I should make another Wobbly Life video. Actually, I'll make Wobbly Life Part 3 today. Stupid snow! Have a bite. I feel like the Hawkins kid. Kill me. Don't tell me I have to clear all the. By the way, if you need Timothy Egan, please leave me alone. 40-year-old man. No, stop calling me. Stop texting me. Please get off of my channel. I can meme you all I want. Trying to get my information. Hell no. Yay! That sounded nice. I threw it into a puddle. Damn. I messed up my hand. What is this? What? Oh, it's a bungee cord. That's what it is. Okay. I didn't know what it was at first. Oh, I just scraped up the whole window. Don't tell my dad. Clearing this out. Charles Michael, his birthday. I think he's turning 3. We got a big gift for him, so we're putting it back here for him. But, of course, of all the days it snowed, so I'm doing this. After this, I'm going to make a long video. Well, after this video uploads, actually, wait. Chat, what time? Why am I saying chat? I'm not live. I can't even afford going live. I mean, I've gone live a few times, but it got taken down. The most recent one, I was literally just doing a Q&A with people. Olivia Ian joined. So we had to end it. I'll give you $10. guys how pretty heist? I do it a lot because of my friends. You're gonna be like, give me money, Cody? Like, yeah, sure, let's do a heist. Which I know how to record my screen. You kind of need an iPhone to do it, so I'm sorry, Android users. Which, honestly, I do support Android better than Apple. Just that's the only phone I currently have at the time. And it is raining. I just had my phone at an angle so it won't get my charge. Well, my charging port is already fried, so I don't think I should care, but... Check that out, guys. Oh! So that's what's in it. Go on the top. I completely missed. Now it's just stuck on a snowbank. Oh, come here, big red shovel. Shovel. Crap. Guys, it snowed, then it rained, then it snowed again. So now my snow is just a thick layer of ice. So when I touch it, it gives me frostbite. This is satisfying, yet it sounds like nails on the chalkboard. I'll give you $10. What happened to the dead squirrel? What happened to the dead squirrel, guys? It was right there. Alright, guys, I guess this might be enough. Maybe one more scoop. Oh, the scoop of destiny. Ooh! Alright, guys, I'm done. See you guys in another video. That was great. See you guys after school. Oh my god, my friend added me on Snapchat. Bye.